Welcome to my channel. I'm Gary Wuryawan and welcome to another quick chat photography video. And in today's video, I want to talk about how to make photography fun again. So these last few days, I feel a little bit bored with photography. I'm not taking as much pictures as usual. Not that I suddenly hate photography. I know that this is just a temporary feeling, but I feel like I'm not having as much fun as usual with photography. I'm quite sure many of you are familiar with this feeling. So today I want to share my tips to help you to get out from this rut, from this boredom of photography, to help you to have more fun with photography again. Anyway, I'm making this video not only for you, but also for me to help remind myself to have more fun in photography. First tip is to take a break. Stop doing photography for a while, take a break from photography and just enjoy your break. This feeling is just temporary and hopefully by taking a break, you can get this feeling over quickly. If you find yourself in a position where you need to take a picture during the break, just grab your smartphone, use your smartphone's camera to take that picture. Tip number 2 is to spice things up. Maybe use a camera or a lens that you haven't used in a while. Force yourself to use that particular piece of gear and try to be creative. Or maybe create a mini photo project for the time being. Maybe shoot only black and white. Maybe shoot only in manual focus. Or maybe shoot only portraits. Or maybe shoot only if there's color blue in the photo. Or maybe something like that. What I want to say is try to make a healthy restriction, because that little restriction can help to force that creative juice flowing again. And maybe that can help you to get out from this rut or this feeling of boredom with photography and find joy and fun again in photography. Next tip is to take the pressure off. I think this applies more toward professional photographers, but I still want to share it anyway. Maybe we can find it useful. So maybe you are a pro photographer, you shoot for a lot of clients and you are involved in so many different photo projects and now you start to feel burned off. I think what you should do is to wind down and start to have a mindset that you want to take pictures for recreational purpose. So grab a camera, remind yourself that you just want to enjoy photography. You're not doing this for your client, and hopefully by doing that, you can start to feel that joy, that fun of photography goes back into you and you can start to feel that passion burning again. Next tip is to be inspired. Maybe you just feel burned off because you don't really have any sort of inspiration that motivates you to take some pictures. So maybe what I think you should do is to consume some photography content in YouTube, watch some photography videos, some photography vlogs, things like that. Or maybe just surround yourself with nice photos. Try to look at some great photos online or go to a museum or a photography exhibition. Or maybe go to a photography community, find a photo buddy and start to go out and shoot and keep motivating each other, that kind of stuff. Or maybe you can go to a nice photogenic location that has lots of photography opportunities, whether you're into landscape photography or you're into kind of street photography, that kind of stuff. Just find a nice location and start shooting and hopefully you'll get inspired right away. Sometimes just a little inspiration can go a long way. That can help you to motivate yourself again, to feel that joy and fun in photography again. And that wraps up today's video. So those are all the tips that I can share to you regarding about how to find joy and fun again in photography, especially if you are feeling burnt off. Anyway, I want to hear more from you guys. So please share on the comments down below what are your personal tips to overcome burnout in photography, or if you are feeling bored with photography, what do you guys usually do? Also, don't forget to support my channel by liking this video, sharing this video, subscribing to my channel down below. And if you want to support my channel even further, consider using the affiliate links in the description below or use the super thanks button to make a small donation to my channel. Thank you and see you on the next video. Goodbye.